When I set the intention to connect to my higher self this morning, to receive whatever information there was for me, this is what came to me. Easy does it. Easy goes it. When a word or thought comes into my mind, I let it settle, and then let the inspiration, the information, reveal itself. The first thing that came into my mind was an image of a horse that was agitated, wide-eyed in fear, spooked and pulling back. Instinctively, me, or a trainer, handler, would use a calm, slow, soft voice saying words like, "Easy, girl, it's okay, easy, easy." Way before we knew of everything as energy, we just knew instinctively how to soften and change the energy in a circumstance like this. We can do this for ourselves too. When we get all stirred up in frustration, fear, anxiety, depression, or other negative emotions, we can have a little self-talk to change the energy, the emotion. We can take it easy. Easy goes it. Take a few deep, slow breaths. Get a centered feeling. Close your eyes. Set an intention to connect spiritually to your higher self, to the part of you that's not entangled into that mess of emotions. That part of you that can easy does it. Easy you into another energy, another feeling. Just breathe. Soften. Drop your shoulders. Let it pass. Let it go. And let it go. There, you did it. You let easy goes it work for you today, because easy does it. Namaste, beautiful ones.